Welcome to Helical Insight training videos. In this video, we will learn about more charts from visualization panel and its customizations. To create more charts, let us drag a measure like travel cost and dimension like mode of payment from this metadata on left. Remember that there must be exactly one dimension and one measure in rows or columns. If you have more than one field in rows or columns and then try to generate the report selecting more charts from visualizations, it will give you this error. So let's remove one dimension from here and then generate the report. So by default, you will see a bar chart is generated. If you want to have some other visualization for more chart, then select this meatball icon on the top right. From this drop-down menu, select marks and then expand all. When you click on this box under all the other possible visualizations can be seen. We can customize the chart from these options shown below. In all these fields, we can have either a dimension or a measure. There are two ways to fill a field here, either drag and drop or right-click on the field. From the drop-down menu, select Add to Marks and then select where you want the field to be. Color will impart color to the grid based on the input field. For example, travel type in color splits each bar into two colors based on the travel types, that is domestic and international. Label has added a label to the bar on the report of travel cost. We can also apply any other function here. For example, let's say if I want the bar to be month-wise, so click on the travel date and select functions. A new functions window will open up. Here, choose the function like month name and then fill in the field name, here travel date. Now generate it. So it is showing month-wise breakup of travel cost. And on the tooltip, you can see month name along with other details of the data point. All these customizations have been done to the bar chart. When you expand all, you will see all other visualizations that are possible in more charts. For example, by selecting area and then generating it, you will be able to generate an area chart. For point chart, we have additional two parameters of shape and size. So for shape, if we choose any field in shape and then generate, then it will give different shapes to the distinct field values. If we have a field in size and then generate the report again, then it will give size to each point according to its value. For arc and donut chart, we should have a measure in rows or columns and a field for which we want to see the distribution in color field. For example, mode of payment. So you can see that the pie chart has been divided into 4 modes of payment. Now, let's see one interesting thing in more charts. If we have just a measure in here and no dimension, then by default a card report will be created showing the total of travel cost. And if we have just a dimension in here and no measure and generate the report, then we will see that by default a WordCloud will be generated with all the values of that field. We have discussed about card and WordCloud in detail in separate videos. Congratulations, you're one step closer in becoming a Helical Insight expert.